Muslim personal law, challenges and responsibilities. The prevalent situation in the country is very serious and dangerous for the Muslim community. On one hand, the judiciary is passing judgments which are against the Islamic law, and on the other hand, demands are being made at the central government to formulate a common civil code. The government is also showing its inclination to do so. Communal forces too are exerting pressure for the abrogation of the Muslim personal law by fabricating stories of oppression of Muslim women. Groups of so-called progressive elements of the Muslim community have also been raised who demand amendment and reformation in the Muslim personal law, new interpretation of the Islamic law of marriage, divorce, and inheritance according to the new situation. Although these laws are not the result of human speculation and deliberation, but are based on the divine revelation as contained in the Quran and the Sunnah, which cannot be altered or deleted. In this dangerous situation, we should struggle hard to defeat the plots and intrigues of the opponents and enemies of Islam, so that we can follow and obey the ordinances and instructions of Islam in every sphere of our lives, particularly those teachings which are embodied in the Muslim personal law. To achieve this objective, we have to do three things. First of all, we should strive hard to reform ourselves and our society according to the teachings of the Quran and the Sunnah. It is a fact that a greater part of the Muslim society is unaware of the fundamental and societal teachings of Islam. The members of the family, husband, wife, children and parents do not even know the rights and obligations that have been ordained by Islam on each other and thus are unable to fulfill them, which create differences and hatred among them. It is essential that we should try to get acquainted with the teachings of Islam and willingly follow them and fulfill the rights of each other. This can be achieved on the individual level and also through the establishment of family counseling centers which can guide them properly. Second, we should take a firm decision that whenever family disputes arise between us, we will not take the matter to the courts but take them to the Shariat court or Shariat Panchayat and accept willingly and cheerfully the judgment and decisions pronounced therein according to the teachings of Allah and His Prophet, peace be upon him. It should be the responsibility of the Muslim leadership to establish Shariat courts or Panchayats in every nook and corner of the country. Third, we should approach our non-Muslim brethren and apprise them of the importance and efficacy of the Muslim personal law so that their misconceptions about it can be cleared. So let us come together and work together to follow Islam and make India a better place to live in.